two little birds. On Sunday, I saw two eggs in the nest. On Monday, there were two little birds instead. On Tuesday, as the day began, the little birds twittered and sang. On Wednesday, the little birds whooped and danced. On Thursday, the little birds sat on a branch. C. Work in pairs. Read the rhyme again. Ask and answer the following questions. 1. What was in the nest on Sunday? Ans. There were two eggs in the nest on Sunday. 2. When did the two birds come out of the eggs? Ans. The two birds came out of the eggs on Monday. 3. What did the birds do on Thursday? Ans. On Thursday, the birds sat on a branch. 4. When did the birds fly away? Ans. The birds flew away on Saturday.